fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I have some leftover Ankara fabric and my taffeta lining that I've decided to use in making a reversible bonnet. This is almost a yard. So the first thing I'll be doing here is fold my fabric in two and fold again. Now I'm just going to cut out a circle of radius 14 inches. I'll keep this aside and do the exact same thing with the lining. Now I'll place them together with the wrong side facing out. Mind you, when sewing, remember to leave about 2 inches open so you can bring out the right side. Now I have sewn it and turned it over to the right side. I have also given it a good press. The next thing I'll do now is to create my elastic casing. That's where I'll be passing my elastic through. Just going to sew about 1 inch inwards from the edge, still leaving my opening. Now I've sewn it all the way around. So I still have here open. And I'm passing the elastic through this space. This is the elastic casing. I'm using an elastic of 22 inches. Just gonna hook it with an office pin and pass it through the elastic casing. Also, don't forget to pin the other side of the elastic. Just pin it to the edge so that everything doesn't go in. So you continue dragging this part out. So I'm going to remove the pin now. After joining the elastic, you're just going to let it go in and you can pull, keep pulling your bonnet. Now I can close my elastic casing and sew that opening at the edge. And our bonnet is ready now. I turn it to the other side.